Grrrr. Wow. Grrrr. Wow. Love mommy. Grrrr. Love ni mommy. Landi-landi, oh. Wow. Ah? Real? Brrrr. Love mommy. Love. Grrrr. 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 Lambing. Ang lambing. Sinong mag-aakalang lalaki to? Sinong mag-aakalang lalaki si Angel? Lalaki po yan. Pero parang babae. Boy pogi. Lambing-lambing din. Happy International Hug Your Cats Day! Lambing-lambing yan. Lambing-lambing. Lambing-lambing. International Hug Your Cats Day. Angel din. Mami. Ayun, nakikipag-usap pa rin, oh. Always nakikipag-usap si Angel. Yes, he always lambing. Ay, tumalon. Tumalon ng baby Angel. Yan. Happy International Hug Your Cats Day. Ipusin niyo ang mga pusa niyo. Actually, hindi lang naman niya yung araw na to. Always hug your cats and make them feel loved. Okay?